Okay, let me show you one more thing before I let you on your own. Um, I know that you might change your mind later. It happens with website designs. I'm gonna show you how to change the background color in this area. It's kind of complicated. Um, it might be something that you would not be able to do. Um, but I want to do the video just in case. Maybe you can ask a friend who has these programs to be able to help you out. I don't know why they made this so complicated. I honestly don't understand. Um, so let me show you real quick how to do that. So first of all, you need a Photoshop program, and then you also need file. Photoshop you have to buy. You actually it's a couple $100s. I got it for it's kind of my major, so I needed to buy it. And then you need FileZilla. FileZilla you can find online for free. So what you do is you sign into your FileZilla, dcchained.com. That's your host. Your username is dcchained, and your password is Lorena, capital L, number 2011. That's what you chose. It's the same password. It's the same login as your Bluehost. This is basically the back end of your Bluehost. And what you do is you click this, scroll down to your www, then you go to WP content, your themes, your eStore theme, that's the theme that you have installed right now, and images. And then you click and drag this on your desktop so you have access to your images. And you kind of have to wait for it to copy. While that's going on, I'm gonna show you the other part that you're gonna have to do. You're going to go to your appearance and editor, and put control find, and this is what I typed in, background number, and that's the one I changed your color to this color right now. So copy this to find the one that you have right now. So you have your background number and that color. Then it pops up right here, and you see this is where that code is. So you can change this color number. If you have Photoshop, you can see you can hover over these and you get the different color number. Also, if you open your eStore theme options and you go to colorization, you will be able to scroll through these and it will give you a number right there. So that's the number you want to copy in here. For example, you want to get back to your orange, to an orange. You're gonna, for example, choose this one. You just copy that number, Control C. You go here, highlight this number, and paste it. And then you update the file. And if you refresh this, you will be able to see that the color changes on the bottom. And this is the complicated part, is for some reason it's not the whole thing, instead this is an image. So I might be able to erase it. I'll kind of try it out real quick. So that's how you change this color. So I'm just gonna change it back, doing the same thing, Control F, and the new color. So there it is right there. I'm gonna copy your old color code, the one that I set for you, the peach. I tried a white and it's too white for some reason. It's too much emptiness, probably because this has already a lot of white in it. Okay, and it should be back to that. And we go over here, this is already copied. These are the image files in your theme. The content background PNG is actually the one that you need to edit. Oops, let's try it again. Let me open it in Photoshop. Come on, open. Okay, so what I did here is I select this box, and then I can change, with using the fill tool, I can change the color and put something else in. If I want to do a different color, I'm just going to do something so you can see how it looks like. And then you just Control D to deselect and just save it. Make sure you just Control save. Don't save as, just Control save. Which then has it right here. And then what you do is you click and drag into your images folder and you override it. And in a few minutes after this is done, you should be able to see the updated on your website, which is already this one. Let me see if I can make it transparent real quick. If I can, that will save you actually a lot of trouble. Let me make sure there's no lock. I'm just gonna recopy it and delete and select. It might work, it might not. Now that's the transparent background. Deselect it, we'll save it. I'll keep this open just in case I have to undo it. And now I have this empty. Let me see if that will fix stuff. Override it. It's the first time I'm trying this. I don't even know what I'm doing it over the video. But okay. Let's refresh this. Make sure nothing crashed. Okay. Let me change the color here to see if it fixed that problem. Content background a different color. Please work, please work. Yes! Victory! Okay. So what I basically did is I made it transparent right here so you could see the background color right underneath. So scratch all of this part. You don't have to do this anymore. You don't have to do this anymore. You don't have to do your Photoshop anymore. All you're gonna have to do is, if you want to change the color of your background, is simply go to your theme options right here, colorization, select the color that you want. Maybe we'll do like a lighter peach, maybe a little bit more orange, like that, or that's kind of too pink. Oh, whatever, you're gonna probably choose another one. So you copy that code, you go to here in your content background URL, image color, and you paste it and you update the file. Okay, so Control F to pop this up, type this in, and you should be able to find it. So type this in. When you look to change the color, type this in, and make sure you always, if you change the color, make sure you have that. You remember which one it was, so you can search for it again in case you want to change it again. And then you can always refresh this, and there you go. You have the new color. Should I do a new video? I'll just leave it for now. Okay, bye.